Hey Indy, just want to get your perspective. If you're a company with a limited advertising budget, would you rather optimize for immediate revenue or new customers?
Yeah, it's a really good question, Alex. In those cases, when you're limited by budget, you're forced to basically go down the revenue route. Finance teams are looking at return on ad spend. So yeah, you'd look for revenue growth rather than just looking at new customers. However, what we're doing at WeDiscover is we're looking at customer lifetime value and predicting that so that you can actually do both rather than just focusing on one. So customer lifetime value, why is it important? Essentially, when you're looking at customer lifetime value, you're able to focus on people who are new customers, and then you're predicting the actual ability to retain that customer over a lifetime. So that could be 1 or 2 years. So you're estimating the amount of revenue you'd actually get from that customer, not just on the first purchase, but multiple purchases. So in the long term, you're growing your revenue, but at the same time, you're still bringing in new customers into the funnel. So you're able to focus on both, not just one. And to find out actually how a customer lifetime value model was actually built and what it comprises of, our VP of data, Antonio, will be able to explain that to you in more detail.
Hey Antonio, Indy just said that you build a sophisticated CLV model. Would you be able to tell me more about it?
Yeah, we build a CLV model that predicts future lifetime value of customers we just acquired. So this future lifetime value just becomes the new signal we send into marketing platforms for new customers. And for returning customers, we just continue to send the revenue or profit value of the order they just made. The marketing platforms will start to prioritize new customers, ensuring the sustainability and the future of your business, but they won't also just completely ignore returning customers as well.
Would you be able to tell me how does it work in practice?
So we will look into an array of data points. Usually we call these features in data science, such as like order value, did you opt into marketing emails, time spent on website, and then we will apply machine learning techniques to predict this CLV value. Let me show you actually. We could be doing, for example, a linear regression model, a logistic regression model, a decision tree, and then depending on complexity and value of the model, we will decide which one is like the best fit for what we need.
And how do you link the CLV model with the marketing platforms?
So this new value we're predicting is going to be sent into the marketing platforms via their APIs so they can use it as a new signal for bidding and optimization.
And how can you prove it's going to work in practice?
So when we do this implementation, we will always A/B test it on the platform. So some campaigns will have the old bidding signal, some campaigns will have the new bidding signal, and they will run concurrently against each other. Typically this needs to run for a few weeks, sometimes even a couple of months, but it's really exciting like those first few days when you're trying to see if like the new bidding solution is really outperforming what we usually had. And it's exciting because like when it works, it's really transformational for like the ROI of your marketing efforts.